It doesn't take a lot for a no makeup look. It's actually quite simple. I'm going to show you an easy no makeup look that only takes a few minutes. First, I started with What the foundation in medium honey, and that went all over her face. It just evened out a little bit of redness, and then I went back with a face pencil, covered whatever redness was there. MC does not have a lot of darkness, but there was, a little bit. And so we covered it. I gently tapped it. And then I used one in a darker color, which matched her skin around her nose. Any little spots, everyone has spots, guys, by the way. All the little spots just to even it out. Then I went back with a powder on top of the pencil just to really lock it in place and keep it smooth. A little bit of face powder all over. And it's a little warmer color, so her face is able to match her forehead, which is a touch darker. And this is one of my favorite things. This is bronzer in Dusty Rose, which you think bronzer should be brown. It's a little rosy pinky. It really cuts the yellow. I use it all over. And then just filled in her brows, so simple, with the brow brush. And what it does is it just fills in the brow, and I use it to kind of create the shape I want, have it stand up. A little bit of a pencil, even out her lips. I just wanted something very natural. We also added, which you don't see in this video, a little bit of a brown eyeliner and mascara. And the last thing is Midas Shimmer Face Oil, which just gives a really natural glow, not as emollient as Miracle Balm, but gorgeous nonetheless.